Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to configure Selenium in Eclipse using an easy method. First, download the Selenium WebDriver JAR files from the official website. Once downloaded, open your Eclipse IDE and create a new Java project. Then, we will add these essential JAR files to your project's build path, ensuring all necessary components are ready for automation. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth start. Now, let's configure the build path. Right-click on your Java project in Eclipse and select Properties. In the Properties window, navigate to Java Build Path and then click on the Libraries tab. From there, choose Add External Jars and select all the Selenium WebDriver JAR files you downloaded earlier. This step links Selenium's functionalities directly to your project, making them accessible for your test scripts. With Selenium configured, it's time to create your first test. Inside your project, create a new Java class. Remember to import the necessary Selenium WebDriver packages at the top of your class file. Then, you can write a simple script, perhaps to initialize a WebDriver instance and open a web browser like Chrome or Firefox. This basic script confirms your setup is working correctly and prepares you for more complex automation. Finally, let's run your automation script. Right-click on your Java class and select Run as then Java Application. You should observe a web browser launching and performing the actions you coded, such as navigating to a specific URL. If you encounter any issues, carefully review the console output in Eclipse for error messages. This verification step confirms that Selenium is correctly integrated and ready for your automation tasks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.